Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to see the topic highest common factor. What is highest common factor? HCF. Yes, last year we studied, right? HCF of a number. HCF of a number is nothing but when you are given two or three numbers, you are going to find a single factor of that three numbers without leaving any remainder. Okay, single factor you are going to find which divides all the three without leaving any remainder. Okay, so last year we have studied HCF in this method, prime factorization method only. This year we are going to study another method also, short division method. That's why I wrote parallel in the board. Both the methods we are going to study this year. Okay, because in higher classes you will use only this method, so you have to be thorough with this method, short division method. Okay, today we are going to see 12, 24, 36. First example we will see. Okay, how will you find the prime factor? What is prime factorization? All the factors will be of prime numbers, right? Okay, so we are going to find the factors of these three numbers. You know how to find the factors? 12. You are going to divide this number with only with prime numbers. So 2, 6, 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2 or 3, anything you can. Only prime numbers you have to use. Okay. 2 3s are 6. Next number is 24. Any prime number you can use. 2, only prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, like that you have to use. So 2, 24, 2 ones are 2, 24 divided by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again divide with 2, 6 twos are 12, right? Then again with 2, 3 twos are 6. Next number 36. Divide with 2, 18 twos are 36, right? 2 nines are 18. Again we can divide this with 3 threes are 9. You got it? How to find the factors? Okay, now we will write 12, 2 into 2 into 3. See these numbers. Next 24, what you will write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then 36, how will you write? 2 into 2 into all the numbers here. 3 into 3. You got it? You have to write like this. Then what are the factors common to all the numbers? See 2, 2, 2. Have to make like this, 2, 2, 2. Here 2 is there, here 2 is not there. Then 3, 3, 3. So 2, 3 are here, leave that 2 and 3. Okay, we are going to take only common factors. So HCF of these numbers equal to 2, this 2, 3. Okay, common of these 2, 2, 3. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. Okay, already you know this method, right? Now we are going to do with short division method. How will you do? 12, 24, 36. Here also we are going to divide with prime numbers only. How will you do? 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 twos are 12, right? 24 divided by 2, how will you write? 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4. 36 divided by 2, if you cannot do directly, you can do like this. 36, 2. 1 2s are 2, 1 6, 8 2s are 16. You can use your the right hand side. Okay, 18. Now you can divide with 2, right? You can divide with 3 also. Here all the numbers are divisible by 3 also, right? Okay, we will use 3 here. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 3s are 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay. Now again we are going. These all are divisible by 2. We will do with 2. Okay. 1 2s are 2. 4 by 2 is 2 2s are 4. 6 by 2 is 3 2s are 6. We can further divide this. There is no common factor for all the numbers, right? Then we will leave it. Okay, we got all prime numbers here. Then we will leave it. So what are all the factors here? HCF equal to, only these 3 numbers we are going to take. HCF equal to 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 12. HCF equal to 12. You got it? This method is easy, right? Okay. I will give another number now. Now we will see the next sum. You are going to find the HCF of 16, 48 and 80. Okay. First we will find the factors of 16. Divide with 2. 2 8s are 16. Again divide with 2. 4 2s are 8. Again divide with 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. How will you do this one? 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Do you understand? 48 divided by 2. Again divide with 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Again divide with 12 divided by 2 is 6. 2 3s are 6. You got it? Next 80. 2 40s are 80, right? Divide 80 by 2. 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. You got it? Okay. Now we are going to write the factors of 16. What are the factors of 16? All the numbers we are going to write. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. What are the factors of 80? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we are going to write the common factors of all the numbers. So here 2 2 2. We will take. Here also 2 2 2. We will take. We will take these 2. So many 2's are here, right? Okay. How will you find HCF? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. So HCF is equal to 16. Now we will do with short division method. Okay. Divide with 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8, right? 8 2's are 16. You should know the multiplication table thoroughly. Then only you can do this easily. Okay. Then here 2 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Here 80 divided by 2 is 40. Again you are going to do with 2. You cannot do with 3, right? 3, 5, 7 prime. Here also we are doing with prime numbers. So do with prime numbers 2. 4 2's are 8. Here 12 twos are 24. Here 14 divided by 2 is 20. Again do with 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Again do with 2. Here also we cannot do with 3 or 5, right? So we are doing only with 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. You got it? Okay. Now we are going to, here we took all the factors, no? Here we are going to take only these numbers, not these numbers. Okay? So how will you find HCF? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. You got it? Okay, children. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.